Okay, we have a very special guest with us today. Yes, it is a Volkswagen. I told you I love Volkswagens. I do have a lot of bugs, but look at this. VW Thing. In the package. The Thing. With independent suspension. I don't know if you knew that. Die-cast metal. 1/55th scale. By Eurobuilt. I'm going to say Siku. I don't know how to say that, but I just said it. Dimensions in D, C, E, A, and B. See the back of the card for details and dimensions. We will in a second. This is a great car. I don't know if you have to look it up yourself, but the VW Thing had a air-cooled motor in the back, lightweight body, removable doors, convertible top. They were just wonderful. They're all two-wheel drive. I don't want to hear any comments saying they made some in four-wheel drive. They didn't. The underneath isn't as accurate. Made in Germany. Hot Wheels had better undersides than this. It's got a little tow hitch on the back. Probably tow the tiniest little trailer. Red interior. The seats all folded down, kind of like a Jeep. We don't want to say Jeep in this episode, because these were Volkswagens. Now I want you to do something. We got more to look at. But I want you to look in Google and type in Eurobuilt diecast VW The Thing, and then see what you get up there. They're all marked just like this on Google. Try it. See what you get. It's crazy. 1/55th scale. Finest quality and accuracy. I wouldn't say that. Specifications. Look at that. 96.7 cubic inches. The transmission was geared so low, I could never go over 55 in mine. Fourth gear. Couldn't reach 55. Top speed 71. Yeah, that's downhill and neutral with the wind behind you. The gearing was just too low. But it was fun off-road. I guess this kind of information and specifications are for the supercar geeks that want to know all about this. Surely the ugliest Volkswagen ever built. Hey. Surely the Volkswagen ever built. That's what it should say. The Thing is rugged and suitable for many uses that range from going to the beach to picking up wood at the lumber yard to a night on the town. A canvas top and side curtains protect riders from the weather. The top can be removed to beat the heat. Top not included. What a great car, right? But I have a surprise for you. Surprise! Look at that. Google one of these and look at the prices. Look at the pictures. Look at that. I have more surprises. Surprise! This is crazy. What's happening here? This isn't the Clone Wars. That card's not as in good a shape. And also, surprise! What? How many of these do you have? That's it. That's all I have. That's all I have. In the card. I must have opened this one. I probably saw them somewhere. Grabbed them all up. I don't know if that's independent suspension right there. I don't know what they're talking about, the car or the model. Yeah, I don't know about that. It's a pretty good runner. You know what I heard? I heard that if you put gas in them, yeah, I just did that. If you put gas in them, actually it would be over here on the front. The gas tank was in the front. It's not to scale. I don't care, I'm having fun. If you put gas in them, especially from a big gas can, they go fast. Whoa. Good thing somebody was there to catch it. All right. That's enough playing around. Made in West Germany. That's probably important for the time period. For all you kids, there were 2 Germanys after the war. Funny thing, the glove box doors on these are really hard to find if you have a real one. It looks like it can take a convertible top, doesn't it? Like they meant for something to go right there. It's a fun car, and that's enough time. Okay, love you, bye.